Hey everybody, here is the painting from my stamp video. Um, it turned out pretty cool. The ARTEZA pouring acrylics left a really shiny, you can see how shiny that is compared to the white, which is very matte. It turned out pretty cool. I'm happy with it. I really like it. And today I am going to do hairdryer pour. I'm going to do this pour, but on a black background. I'll show you the canvas. It's a black canvas from ARTEZA. And I already coated it in the ARTEZA pouring acrylic colors. But they they really aren't, I guess, the most financially best option. It took me two bottles of those just to coat this 12 by 12. So, and it only comes with two black containers. So, now it's gone. But I really love them. And now that I know that I can use the colors mix it with my house paint for the white, then the colors last me a long time. It's just whatever I use for a base coat never lasts me. Excuse me. So this is the canvas I'm using. This has plastic on it, but it's just a black canvas by ARTEZA. Alright, so I'm going to use the same colors I used on the one I just showed you. And let's start with neon purple. So this probably will be a very short and sweet video because I already did the mixing part, or I can't come up with words, the base coat before I turned on the camera. Seriously, staying in the house like this, my attention span is nil. I can't even watch a whole TV show. I tried watching TV with my husband last night, a show we were looking forward to watching, and I couldn't do it. It just wasn't in me. Alright, pink is gone. Now for neon blue. Shake, 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 shake. I did go out, I sold a painting, yay! So I went to the post office, so that was exciting. It was exciting to sell a painting, and it was exciting to leave the house to go to the post office. So I've had quite the day, And I had to pick up a prescription, so I got a prescription and went to the post office. Very exciting. Alright, so I've got, somebody asked what I was using for these. It is just a regular hairdryer. I don't know how many wattage. Aren't they usually like 1500 or something? I don't know. But it's nothing fancy. It's just a plain old hairdryer. There, it's finally starting to move. Oh, I think I touched it there. Ah. There was not a lot of black paint on here, so you could tell I was having trouble getting it to move. And right here, I think I touched the hairdryer to it. Yeah, it doesn't, it's not going to tilt at all. I think this is it, folks. There is a super cool dark thread running through right there. Just make sure there's no air bubbles. Take my gloves off so that I can show you it. It turned out pretty cool. I love that thread going through. I do like it better with the white background. I just like it better personally. But this is pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.